Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add a card now. Open Wallet and make sure iOS and your Apple ID are current so verification works. Position the physical card in good light or pull up the card's app. This saves manual typing. Once done, tap the plus sign to start. Wallet will ask to scan the card or enter numbers manually. Make sure Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode is enabled so the bank can verify your identity quickly. Once you scan or type the card details, Wallet pre-fills the fields and asks you to accept the issuer terms. Do that so the process continues. After acceptance, the issuer sends a verification code or pushes a notification to the bank app. Enter the code or approve the request. Make sure to follow any extra steps the bank requires, such as signing in to their app. If the verification doesn't arrive right away, wait a minute and then request a new code. After verification, tap Done and your card appears in Wallet. You can set it as default in settings if you want it to be primary for payments. Once added, test with a small contactless purchase or view the card's status in Wallet to confirm it's active. If something goes wrong, restart your iPhone and confirm cellular or Wi-Fi connectivity. Make sure the issuer hasn't blocked digital wallets. If issues persist, remove the card and re-add it or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.